All right, hopefuls. So this is my order. I think it's a 42 count of water over there, the big thing. I just looked at in the house. So while I was doing the delivery, I might as well get them to bring the water. So, but I make sure I tip them well because I understand being a gig worker. So anyway, y'all, this is all I got right here. I don't remember. I think it was like one. I don't remember. One something. Yeah. With a tip. And then I did an extra $10 because I wanted it quick. Okay, so I made the order for the Duracell batteries. I actually asked for the 16, but they must didn't have it, so she gave me the 24. I can't remember if Walmart still charges you the same price or they increase it. Then I got some Swaggerty sausages. I actually asked for the box, and this was a substitution, so they gave me all of these, which is fine because then I can freeze them. We still doing E2M, but I think this week we changed our cheat meal to Sunday because our cheat meals were turning to cheat days and weekends, y'all. Yeah, the struggle is real on this second round. But kicking already done got back on. Well, we been on track. We just been slipping a little bit. So this morning got on track. Gonna get this water in. Got that workout in. We're gonna knock these weeks out. So anyway, I think I know I want breakfast. So I want some pancakes and some sausage and some bacon on Sunday. So anyway, they gave me 4 of these because I asked for the 30 count. And then I got some turkey. I got the 85% lean and 93% lean. These are like 1.5 pound packs to make some good old spaghetti for them. And then some tomato, basil, garlic, and roasted garlic herb sauce. I think JJ made some spaghetti last, and he said that I have to go check that it isn't any more Prego. So I have to get some from Sam's. They didn't have the Walmart brand 5 cheese toast, so I got that. Some bread for salsa. I put 1 in the freezer. Yeah, I finally remembered. I got some zucchini. Actually, it's salad week next week with E2M. So I'm going to have to go back to the store and get some salad mix and maybe something they may need for their lunches. And that's about it. I'm thinking about going to... Y'all keep hearing some... Oh, it's some trash bags. Who is this calling me? Hold on, y'all. Sorry, y'all, it's a lot of distractions. Plus, I ordered something from Applebee's grilled chicken, and that's coming, and I think I hear her. So I got some melatonin for them. I was trying to see if they have a bigger thing of this, but that's the only thing I see. Sorry for the rattling. I got some Italian sausage to make them some good old spaghetti. Oh, that's what I was saying. Well, I think I said it already. JJ... Yeah, I was going to make some spaghetti for them. I did ask for some tilapia, and somebody gave me this great big old bag, which is fine. But I actually wanted the smaller bag. I did get some soap, and so we go through soap super fast. And this Purifying Detox, I like this one, the 4 bars. I did ask for a different Dove dry spray, but I hope this one smells good. I noticed my brother's been ordering the Dove spray. All of them love the Degree in Dove spray in my family. My sons and my husband, and my brother loves it. So he ordered like a pack, like a variety pack off of Amazon. But I saw that in women's, but it was like each individual one. I just didn't want to get stuck with one I didn't really like. But anyway, I hope this smells good. I wanted the Nourish Beauty, but I got that from CVS, and I have an extra care book, so I think I haven't had time to coupon. So I think I'm going to go back, because sometimes certain stores or drugstores sell certain scents, and I have not found it at Walmart. I haven't looked in Target, but anyway, I hope this sheer cool. I did ask for the baby powder because I know that one, or the baby scent, that one is good. The cocoa was okay. Coconut or cocoa shea. I can't remember which one it was. cocoa butter shea or something like that. It was okay, but that Nourish Beauty smelled really fresh and really good. So this is it, y'all. Go get my food off the porch, and I may turn the camera back on something else that I'm doing. So thanks for watching.